How many data breaches will it take before our leaders accept the need for a national privacy law? More than 500 million Facebook users, including 32 million in the United States, found out over the weekend that their personal information was accessed by hackers. Names, birth dates, locations, phone numbers, email addresses and other information were posted on a website used by cyber thieves. The data appeared to be several years old. Whereas disclosure of that information may pose relatively little risk to people's privacy, the same can't be said for a separate, more recent data breach involving the insurance company Health Net. In that case, people's names, addresses, birth dates, insurance numbers and confidential medical records were hacked. No less alarming, Health Net waited 2 months before notifying policyholders of the incident. 2 months. The company says the servers of a third-party vendor, Acelion, were hacked between January 7 and January 25. Notices to policyholders were dated March 24. "We have no reason to believe that your information was used incorrectly," the company told customers. All this means, however, is that Health Net has no idea if anyone has been defrauded or harmed as a result of the breach. The company is providing policyholders with a year of free credit monitoring and identity theft protection. "Your personal information is important to us," Health Net declared. "We regret any issue this may have caused you." No one at the company responded to my request for further information. I say enough is enough. It's time lawmakers recognized that the private sector custodians of our personal information aren't up to the task of keeping us safe. It's time that we followed Europe and even China in enacting a national privacy law that lays down clear, unambiguous rules for data collection and storage, and significant consequences for companies that come up short. David A. Hoffman, a professor of public policy at Duke University, called a national privacy law critical to help protect Americans. "Our current patchwork of federal and state laws does not provide robust, harmonized and predictable enforcement of privacy protections for individuals," he told me. "Instead, our laws primarily put the burden on individuals to find out who has their data." J.W. August is one of those individuals. The San Diego resident told me he's been a Health Net customer for years and years. He was outraged when he received the company's breach notice the other day. "It makes me grind my teeth," August, 76, said. "These people have my data and they're just not responsible. Why isn't something being done about this?" That's exactly the right question. It seems like not a week goes by without word of yet another incident in which people's personal info falls into the hands of bad guys or spills onto the internet. According to the Identity Theft Resource Center, there have been about 12,000 known data breaches since 2005.